Hi there. First of all, I'm not gonna do any more of these stupid arms. Been working a couple of days now. It's 1st of April, so I haven't done much with the bike or the parts. Today I was shopping a little bit. I needed some screws. They were too short, the ones I got with bike. Put some fenders. I know real cyclists aren't fans of these fenders. Heard some very funny names about them, but the bike is supposed to be used in rain. These help. I got a package, the last one from the company in Norway that I'm buying from. For you Norwegians, Scandinavians, I don't know. This is the name of the company I'm shopping from. I think in Norwegian you just say Racer. Very helpful, good support. I was calling them about, I don't know, 2-3 times asking them stuff. They had the answers to all my questions. So good company, thanks for that. I just pre-opened the package and when I came in. I haven't checked it out yet. What's in here? I know what's in here. At least the batteries, I suppose, is in here. This is probably the 11.6 amperes hours. So it's probably the charger. Wow, cool one. Extension cord, or no, it's just a cord for the adapter. Wow, cool charger. Looks like that. Yes, wow, that was heavy. All right, didn't expect that. This is the adapter for, actually, maybe I should wait with this, but I tried to explain for you really quick. Well, how the battery mounts on the bike, it's pretty simple. It's like a thermos that you have. Looks like a thermos that you have when you're on when you're camping. So the deal is, this is the adapter. You strap it onto the bottle where you put the bottle cage on the bicycle in the triangle, like so. If you understand what I mean. Just click the battery down there. This goes up to the whoa, here's the word again, the control unit. So that's how that works. Alright. Oh, it's getting crowded up here. I'm not gonna do too much work today. As I said, I'm pretty exhausted, and the last part of the Easter I'm gonna work again. I'm going to work tomorrow, so this is my only day off, and probably just gonna unpack stuff and look it up and see what it is. This is, the dealer told me that, well, you probably don't need it. There's no need for it. Maybe you need more light, I don't know. This is, as a lot of you guys know, is a torque arm. You put this on the bike axle, on the wheel axle. The axle goes in here. Here's the wheel, and this goes to the bike frame. Like, I think it's going to be like that. And you just put this like a clip around the triangle frame. So this is, the word for this is of course a torque arm. There's so much torque in this engine. I mean, it's not wow, it's so much, but it might just be too much for the wheel to stay inside the axle in the frame. So this is preventing the axle on the wheel to put too much torque on the frame, so it will start bending the frame. I think that's the actual idea of this. He said it's not necessary. I don't take any chances. I said I want it, so he sent me that for free. Or I paid so much for everything else, so for him, he's just a happy bird, I think, for everything. The last thing in the package is of course the battery. It's pretty heavy, yeah. Cool. I'm a little bit concerned about this 11.6 ampere hours. I heard that this engine should at least have a 20 ampere hours battery, so I don't know. I'm just gonna start with this one and see what it can do. I'm just gonna use the bike from home to work, to the training center, stuff like that. You know, like traveling in the city. Nothing else. Okay. So it's just short distances I'm talking about. Oh, that was good, really good. There's so many nice surprises with these packages from this guy. I thought it was more like a bottle, as I said. So I was going to buy like it's called Dip It, or what's the name of it? It's a color that you spray on. It's like it's almost like rubber. It's not shiny color, so I was going to buy that today because I thought the battery was going to be silver on the sides. This is much cooler, but it's really heavy, guys. This must be around, I don't know, 2 kilos. Huh. So just gonna show you, gonna charge this battery today. There's no instructions, so just gonna give it some time, maybe do a good charge the first time. Here's the fuse on the battery, that's good, it's integrated, I like that. So here's the charge port, I think, looks like it. Yep, charge port, and wow, that's nice, USB port. So the battery is actually not delivered with the engine or with the motor. This is a package you have to buy on the side. You have a lot of packages you can buy with the motor. I decided to go for this. It looks more sleek and it looks nicer on the bike. It looks more, I don't know, it's more, well, it's just not ugly. Let's put it like that. Yep, gonna charge this and take a break. There's some cycling on Eurosport, I'm gonna enjoy that. Have a cup of coffee, going for a training ride, and maybe this evening I'm gonna make a video when I mount this. Bye.